After returning from Bogota Waterfalls, we went on a hunt to find a restaurant. Alright, so we have come here to a restaurant to have dinner. So this is the restaurant, okay? I'm not sure how the food is going to be, but we'll see. We were hesitant to eat at this place, but the options were fewer. Still, we bought biryani, and I tell you what, it was tasty. Alright, so time right now is 6:20 p.m. It's getting dark. We are in A2 Nagaram. Just bought food for dinner. We got actually exhausted, not because of the journey. It is so humid here, we constantly kept sweating. We'll just go to the room now and, take shower and then have dinner and then sleep off and get some good rest so that we can, start our trekking tomorrow morning to Muthyam Dhara Waterfall. So it's quite a nice hotel, not too great. Can't expect much because this is just a small town, lodge. We took a AC room where everything was functioning. I'll put the details of this hotel in my description below. If you guys are planning to come to this place, you can, come and check this out. It's very good for someone to stay for a night. Yep. Thank you. After a good night's sleep, we set out on our journey. Very soon we reach the point where the trek begins. Okay, so we have just packed our bags. We are ready to go now, and it's very hot. It's so hot that we have been constantly losing water from our bodies. As the sun was climbing high, we began walking towards the waterfall without wasting our time. We thought that it would be an ideal day for trekking, but the humidity was high because of the vapor from the ground triggered by the sun. As the saying goes, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So was our 8 kilometers long trek. Okay, we might have walked like 500 meters so far, and everything opened up. This land, we can now see this plain land, and we can see the hill from where the water actually falls. I don't know, maybe I'm not able to see, or if it's the angle. I cannot see any water falling at this point of time, or maybe from this angle. But just look at this place. So good. After walking in the sun for some time, this wind feels so good. The heat was increasing as the day progressed, and we unknowingly got into the trance of walking. We kept walking, walking, and walking. Because of the heat, we felt like we were walking on a never-ending path at a snail's pace. Our bodies were feeling the stress, but we devised our minds to reach the target. So, we took our first break. Once again, we were back on our track. The path to the success is always tough, but with few encouraging rewards. Still walking inside. After walking 3 kilometers, we are still left with 5 more kilometers. After seeing a tougher path and realizing that we still need to walk for a longer distance, we were hoping for a cooler weather. Our prayers were answered. It rained. Alright, so this is the place until vehicles can come. After that, there is this narrow trail we are left with to reach the waterfall. Alright, so this is what we need to walk on right now. Looks awesome. As the trail became narrow, we sensed that we are closer to the waterfall. Ooh, look at this. We can now hear waterfall. This water is so clear. The moment we saw the fresh and clear water, our desire to dive into the water became stronger. We were so close, but yet far, as we still had to trek against the water flow. After a tiring trek, the reward was overwhelming. The time we spent there was magical. Muthyam Dhara Waterfall took us to a dive into the nature. After spending a substantial time in the water, with our bodies and mind refreshed, we departed and started our journey back to home.
So guys, this is the return journey back. We just came and we are sitting inside the car. Let's see how good the drive is, because the driver is Vish the Weekender.